Hi guys, today we're cooking with François Robin, who works in collaboration with the French Dairy Board, and he's going to be showing us 3 different festive cheese platters which are really easy to make. What are you going to make for us first?
We will start with the Brie, if you don't mind.
Yes.
If it's okay.
My favorite.
Brie, that's your favorite?
Well, you know I change my favorite all the time.
Okay,
So, yeah.
I do the same.
Yeah.
Brie here is a cow milk cheese, and you can have different sizes, and this one you can easily find in Middle East, this kind of cheese. So I'm just having well, let's have quite a good slice, okay? Okay, so here you see the Brie. It's a little bit chalky in the middle, and it's fine because if it's too runny, it will run. So it's not good for the recipe that we have. So for that recipe, I will use apricots here, dried apricots that you can find easily. The idea is to bring a little bit of sweetness into the recipe, and also you have to cut it in thin enough pieces so you don't chew it too much, you know. So let's put that in the bowl. A little bit of pistachios, and try to have the same amount, roughly, according to the amount of apricots that you've cut it before. Let's use a little bit of mascarpone cream. It doesn't require a lot of skills to do that, in fact. The tricky part is to cut the cheese in the middle. So I can use, usually I use a wire like that, but let's do it with a simple knife, a thin knife. Wrap the cheese, okay, into cling film, for example. Here it is.
Thanks, that was amazing.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.